How to replace the dashboard. This is the list of tool preparation. Firstly, we need to use the torque 25 bit to remove one piece screw on the front side of the front tuber. Then we will use the torque 30 bit to remove two pieces screws on the back side of the front tuber. Pull out the stem. Disconnect the connection of control bus. Remove the cover plate in the brake box. Take the brake line plastic from the groove of the brake box. Brake wire pass through the open slot of front tuber. Remove the brake wire end from the connection block of the brake cable box and take off the stem. Firstly, we use the torque 10 bit to remove the screws of 3 pieces. And take off the dashboard cover pieces. And take off the dashboard cover. Next, we also need to remove 3 pieces screws on the dashboard. Then pull out the dashboard. Then we can cut off the wire ties by scissors and take the wire sheath. Last step is disconnect the electric throttle, the electric brake, and the headlight from the dashboard, and take out the dashboard finally. Firstly, we need to pass the dashboard cable from the left side hole of the stem. Then connect the throttle, the electric brake, and the headlight harness to the dashboard separately. And we collect the wires and install the wire sheath. Lace up the wire ties. And cut off the surplus parts. Then, install the dashboard into the stem. Now we fasten 3 pieces screws with PH1. The range of torque is from 0.22 to 0.26. Install dashboard cover and fasten 3 pieces screws with torque 10 bit. The range of torque is 0.2 to 0.3. Firstly, we need to connect the control bus. Secondly, insert the brake wire from the open slot of front tuber. Then, insert the block at the end of the brake into the connecting block of the brake box. And the brake wire plastic is installed in the groove of the brake wire box. Then, install the cover plate of the brake box. At this moment, we need to cleat the wire harness. Last step is we need to insert the stem into the front tuber. After finished above steps, we need to fasten 2 screws with torque 30 bit. The range of torque is from 9 to 12. Also, we need to fasten 1 piece screw with torque 25 bit. The range of torque is 5 to 6. After finished the stem replacement, we can power on the scooter again and confirm that if there is any problem with this operation.